receiver, transmitter, link, disconnects, forced to shut off. When turned back on, it repairs up, good to go. In order to pair, swipe down, receiver, link, transmitter 1, link. This would unlink if you choose the next window within 5 seconds to confirm. We get a slow flashing. Hit the link button, long press. Quick flashes. The stop linking will turn to link. That is how you link the transmitter. To see it working, swipe up, and up. Test 1, 2, 3. I hope this video may have helped you out. This is your on and off. Short press changes the noise reduction. Short press on the records and stops. Long press switches between the receiver and the Action and Pocket 3 camera.